got this thing pulled out just a little bit. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We are on our way to pick up the bike, dog. We got my helmet in the back, somewhere back there. And yeah, man, I can't wait. We got the 23 on there. We got the bars. We got the wraparound. Ooh, we got everything pretty much ready to go. We got the music supposedly sounding right, so that's a plus too. I can't wait to hop on this thing, man. I'm supposed to be going to the auction in like 30 minutes, but I don't know, man. We're gonna see if I even make it there, because like the way this thing is sounding, I'm gonna be hopping on this thing and I'm gonna just be riding, man, trying to get some content and enjoy myself a little bit. But all in all, man, I'm happy to be with you guys today. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get this thing going, dog. Oh, you guys are about to get my reaction. Oh my goodness, I'm speeding through the speed bumps. I can't see it fast enough, big dog. And what's funny is a couple of the homies is out here on their bikes. It's like a little bike event. But we're gonna see. Oh, I see it. Oh, look at that motherfucker with the oohs and the ahs. Oh, hold up. I didn't get it. It's not good enough. I gotta fucking see this shit up close, man. Hold up. Let's see what this joint is like, man. Oh, I can't wait. Damn, that shit look hard as fuck. That shit. Hey, man, you could take it, man. This motherfucker is hard. Now, this shit go. Ooh. Oh yeah, good looking. They put it on there. It look good now.
Rims?
Yeah, the rims, the bars and shit.
Oh, you just did your bar work too?
Yeah.
This is
Ooh.
why they can't get mine?
That's hard.
Why they can't get mine? You probably bought his and bought it too. You bought your...
Alrighty, guys, we gotta pick up the last of our little parts. Ooh. So, I'll just take this out right here. Let me just load the car up with all these parts and stuff and we should be good. Alrighty, guys, we got our car loaded up. We got the extra fairing here. We got the extra wheel. I'm thinking I want to put that on the silver bike, and then we got an extra fender and then our radio, so that's a plus. We're about to park the bike and then hop on ours, so let's get into it because I'm already trying to see what it's like, dog. Ooh, y'all, when I say this thing is wet, oh my god, and they didn't even give it a good wash. I can't wait to wipe this thing down tomorrow. Got that big 23 on there, big wraparound. Need to be wiped off. This was the only part. I had one of these. I lost one, so this was the only one that's black. But other than that, you can barely tell. Other than that, man, we got the bars and everything on there. Can't wait to see how this thing ride. It's time to hop on this thing. I actually left my GoPro thing at the house, man, so that's unfortunate. But we're gonna hop on this thing and roll out for a sec, man. Alrighty, just got out the lift. Back at the vet. It's like bike night tonight out here, so trying to finesse my way on this bike, man. Alrighty, guys, man, you guys finally get to see the garage. This thing is freaking beast. We got the vet, got my baby car, got the bike. Hey, go ahead. Yeah, she digging this spot a little bit more. Got way more action. But man, we finally get to check out the bike a little bit more. This thing is clean. Tonya did a real good job on there. We got to get this thing iced down because the people at the shop, they not going to clean your bike like you would clean it. Huh? Yeah, no, leave it there. They not going to clean it like you would clean it, but this thing is clean. Both of them look good together. The vet look nice together. I need to throw that steering wheel on today, man. That's what I think I might do, so we'll see. And I got this thing pulled out just a little bit. Golly. That thing is shining. Can't even front. That thing is iced down, dog. Iced down, boy. Golly, I just see the oohs and the ahs on this daddy-o. Sheesh. Golly. Let's get you. That chrome is hit 10, boy. Got the bike halfway pretty much wiped down, but I know y'all see me bring my tools in so I can actually change my steering wheel to my vet now, and should be good to go there. Golly, this thing is so beautiful, y'all. Like, oh my God, look at this thing. That's crazy. Alrighty, guys, so as much as I want to sit here and wipe this bike down and just wipe the paint off of it, I think it's about fresh enough to go get that ride in, man. So I gotta go upstairs, get the shower, get some fresh clothes, because I gotta match my bike, man. This thing is so clean. I can't, you feel me, be half-assing it. But, oh, I'm living it, man. What do you guys think about the bike, man? We got the bars installed, everything good to go. So I can't wait. All that chrome is shining up, man. This front wheel and this wraparound just came out so excellent, dog. Let me know what you guys think about it right now in the comments below. I guess we can take out our extra parts now. Fender. Oh, it's so lovely having a garage. We just sit that back over here. I need some flags and some banners, y'all. Man, I need a Corvette banner. I need a Harley banner. I need everything's regular banner, man. So if you guys got some banners out there, some extras, man, send it to your boy. Extra Harley parts. Alrighty, guys, got our helmet on. About to pull the bike out and get this journey started, man. Hopefully everything work out. Hopefully we can complete our trip with no altercations or nothing like that. But y'all just see the difference between that little wheel and the big wheel on this joint. Look, that bad boy, man. Yeah, let's get it going. Alrighty guys, we made it back safe and sound, man. Literally on the last couple of turns, we seen two like pretty much drop the gear and disappeared once I got out the clear. But yeah, we made it back home. So I'm liking the way it rides, man. It rides pretty much like stock. I can't even lie. Like, it doesn't feel no difference at all. The bars, of course, makes this thing a lot more comfortable. It actually feels like a road glide. You guys know the road glide, the fairing is not connected to the frame. Well, it is connected to the frame, but the bars aren't. So this one it rides similar to that. But all in all, I'm loving it, digging it. I'm excited with it. So we'll see what happens, man. But let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. If you're new to the channel, don't hesitate to say what up to your boy, man. We got the vet back here, we got the red bike, we got the silver bike. Now it's time to focus on the truck. The title to the silver bike should be here momentarily, so that thing will be out of here pretty shortly. The truck, we got an update on that. He said that the bearings is really shot, which I already knew, and that he would prefer a new motor over rebuilding it. I don't know what I want to do. I'm just, at this point, I'm ready to get it done so we can move on. I'm tired of having that in my back pocket, you know? So I don't know. We'll see what happens, man. But if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.